Today I'm going to show you how to disable the default links in Microsoft Edge, and the best part is that it only takes a few seconds. If you're opening Edge and keep seeing those default quick links you don't want, this simple method will help you clean up the page and remove the ones you don't need. This is a great way to make your browser feel more organized and a little more personalized. Before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips and easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the new tab page where your default links are showing. These are the shortcut tiles or link icons that appear by default on the browser start page. Now move your mouse over any default link icon that you want to remove. As soon as you hover over it, you should see a small three dots menu appear on the icon. Once the three dots appear, click on them to open the options for that specific link. In the menu that shows up, look for the remove option and click it. This will delete that shortcut from the page immediately. If you have more default links you want to get rid of, just repeat the same process one by one. Hover over the icon, click the three dots, and then select Remove. This is the fastest way to clean up the default link section in Edge without changing any complicated browser settings. It's simple, it's beginner friendly, and it gives you a much cleaner new tab experience right away. If your goal is to reduce clutter and only keep the shortcuts that matter to you, this is the easiest method to do it. And that's really all there is to it. You now know how to disable default links in Edge by removing them from the new tab page. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.